Claim your place, understanding, staking your claim. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring an intriguing phrase that you might have heard or read in various contexts: staking your claim. This expression has a rich history and is used metaphorically in modern English. So, let's unravel its meaning together and see how you can use it in your conversations and writings. Stay with us to boost your English skills in a fun and engaging way. The phrase, staking your claim, originally comes from the historical practice of claiming land. In the past, especially during times of exploration and expansion, individuals would literally place stakes in the ground to mark the boundaries of the land they were claiming as their own. This act was a physical declaration of ownership, often followed by legal registration to officially recognize the claim. This concept was particularly prominent during events like the Gold Rush in the 19th century, where miners would stake claims on patches of land where they hoped to find gold. The practice wasn't just about marking territory. It was a declaration of one's rights and intentions to explore, work, and eventually own that piece of land. In contemporary English, staking your claim is mostly used in a metaphorical sense. It means to assert one's right to something or to make it known that one believes they deserve a particular recognition, position, or opportunity. This can be in various contexts, such as career ambitions, when someone makes it known they are aiming for a promotion or a specific role within a company. Opinions and ideas, asserting one's stance or perspective in a discussion or debate. Personal relationships, making intentions clear regarding a relationship or expressing interest in someone. Now that you understand what staking your claim means, let's look at how to use this phrase in sentences. 1. In a professional setting, she's really staking her claim as the leading expert in renewable energy technology. 2. In personal ambitions, by entering this competition, he's staking his claim for national recognition. 3. In everyday discussions, I'm staking my claim on the last piece of pizza. This phrase is versatile and can add a layer of depth to your expressions, especially when you want to emphasize determination, rights, or ambitions. Staking your claim is more than just an idiom. It's a reflection of determination, ambition, and the assertion of one's rights and desires. Whether you're discussing history, personal goals, or just everyday situations, this phrase can enrich your English vocabulary and help you express yourself more vividly. We hope this exploration has been enlightening and that you're now more confident in using staking your claim in your own conversations and writings. Remember, every phrase you learn opens up new ways to express yourself and connect with others. Keep staking your claim in your journey of English language learning, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.